Deep inside a futuristic factory, the PlayStation 5 Pro production begins with incredible precision.
Advanced robots carefully position the powerful processor and memory chips onto the motherboard. Every tiny connection is completed with perfect accuracy, using advanced automated technology. Tiny electronic connections are completed with perfect accuracy, using intelligent robotic systems. Next, powerful memory modules are installed to deliver lightning-fast gaming performance. The advanced cooling system is carefully assembled to keep the console running at peak performance. Every internal component is secured with robotic precision before the next stage begins. The iconic white outer shell is now attached, giving the console its final appearance. Power comes alive as the console successfully boots for the very first time. Advanced AI-powered quality control systems inspect every console before shipping. Each console is stress-tested to ensure flawless gaming performance under heavy workloads. Power consumption and cooling efficiency are carefully measured before approval. The console receives its final software installation and system calibration.